Yes, the way in which Nightingale's work came to the attention of the British public was really through the publicity and press coverage by the Times, and specifically a journalist called William Howard Russell. And he was stationed in the Crimea to cover the war, and as you can imagine was appalled by the carnage and neglect that he found there, because this was not a war in which there was an obvious and clear British hero who emerged from the war. It was in many ways a war that was predicated on a series of very tragic failures.